Hello, my name is Lillian Berger. My experience with research goes back to even before I started my formal education, which I'm a late bloomer. I didn't start my formal education until I was in my 50s. I originally was going for a 2-year degree in early childhood ed, ended up with a 4-year degree in psychology, and now here I am with the master's in social work. So I've done research from the very get-go. I actually have to go back before I started my formal education, in which I had my own daycare. In my daycare, I had some special needs that used to come into the room, involving autism and behavioral issues as well as physical issues. And I found that without a formal education, parents really didn't listen or value as heavily what I would tell them as far as what my experience had given me, being that I had been in childcare for 30 some years. So I used research even then. I would research a subject and come up with a very reputable source. And when I gave them my information, I always backed it up with that research. So research has always been an important part of my life. Um, I am excited that this is part of the course here because I think that research does play a very important part of our practice in social work. Um, I just like I don't I the question was what would make it more fun? What makes it more fun for me is if I have an issue in front of me, I would like to see what other people have found along those subjects. To me, that's fun. And then looking at my own experiences and being able to put it together. Um, as far as the syllabus goes, uh, I'm excited and scared about using Excel. That's always been a challenge for me. Of course, I have used it before, especially with taking statistical courses, etc. But I'm excited to become able to better use that tool. So good luck, everyone. Looking forward to working in the class.